Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to show reels on profile grid in your Instagram application. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So for this, you just have to open your Instagram app and we will just go on the reels section of Instagram application here. So let it be. I will go there. You can see these all are my reels and all of my photos are here, and some of them are reel and some of them are videos and some of them are also photos. So what we are going to do, we will just click on the three dot option. You can see there is option called remove from grid. Wait, I will show you it again. Like this is real. I will just look at the three dot option. When I click it, you can see the option called remove from profile grid. When you click it, the reel will be removed from your profile grid. So this is the way how you can show reels on profile grid in your Instagram application. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.